This year cost me $50,000. Not from one bad trade, from 5 repeating mistakes. Mistakes that look harmless on paper, mistakes that drain accounts in silence, and mistakes that 90% of traders will make before they finally wake up. Today, I am breaking down exactly how each mistake happened, the math behind every loss, and the exact systems I built to never repeat them. If you are still trading without these fixes, you are donating capital to the market. Let us fix that. Mistake number 1. The over-leverage trap. I used to believe high leverage meant high rewards. I would risk 5%, sometimes 10%, on a single setup. The math does not lie. At 5% risk, 2 consecutive losses wipe out 10% of your account. At 10% risk, it is 19%. 3 losses in a row. You are down 27%. 4. You are down 34. You do not blow up from one trade. You bleed out from compounding math. I took a $12,000 hit in 3 weeks because I moved my stop loss just this once to avoid getting wicked out. I got stopped out anyway, but at double the size. The fix is simple. Position sizing is not a guess. It is a formula. Risk per trade divided by stop distance equals your exact position size. I now cap risk at 1 to 2% per trade. I set hard stops at entry. No exceptions. I use bracket orders so the platform executes automatically. If you are not using a hard stop, you are not trading. You are gambling with extra steps. Save that formula. You will need it on every single trade. Mistake number 2. The revenge trading loop. After that drawdown, I did what 90% of traders do. I tried to win it back fast. I jumped into 3 unrelated pairs. I ignored my own rules. I traded angry. Psychologically, revenge trading is a dopamine chase. Your brain wants to fix the pain immediately. The market does not care about your pain. It only cares about liquidity. When you trade emotionally, your decision quality drops below 50%. You become predictable, and predictable traders get hunted. The fix requires a hard boundary. I implemented a daily loss circuit breaker. Step 1. Hit 3% daily loss. Platform locks. Mandatory 24-hour call. Step 2. Log the emotional trigger. Ask yourself, was it fear? Was it ego? Was it boredom? Step 3. Return only after a reset routine. Walk, hydrate, review your journal. Paper trade 1 setup. Trading is not about winning back money. It is about protecting your decision making. Once you protect your mind, the account follows. Mistake number 3. Strategy hopping. For months, I chased holy grail setups. 1 week it was smart money concepts. The next week, supply and demand. Then a YouTube guru secret RSI hack. I backtested nothing. I forward tested everything. The result? 10 strategies. 0 consistency. I could not tell if I was losing because of market conditions, or because my rules changed every single day. The fix is brutal but necessary. I picked 1 setup. I backtested it across 100 trades. I paper traded it for 30 days. I wrote down entry rules, exit rules, invalidation levels, and I traded only that setup for 90 days. An edge is not a magic indicator. An edge is statistical consistency, plus psychological repeat. If you cannot explain your setup in 3 sentences, you do not have an edge. You have hope. Write your rules down. Print them. Trade them exactly. No deviations. Asterisk, mistake number 4. Ignoring market context. I would see a perfect textbook setup. I would enter, then news dropped, or the daily trend was against me, or volatility expanded 300%. My technical failed because I ignored the macro environment. Markets shift regimes. They trend. They range. They expand. They contract. A strategy that prints in one quarter will bleed in the next if you do not adjust. Asterisk, the fix is a 3-step context filter. Step 1. Check daily and weekly trend alignment. Use higher time frames. Confirm direction before entering. Step 2. Economic calendar check. No entries 30 minutes before high impact news. Step 3. Volatility regime check. Average true range expansion or contraction dictates position size and target distance. Technical tell you where to enter. Context tells you when to enter. You need both. Trading without context is like driving with a blindfold. You might move fast, but you will crash. Asterisk, mistake number 5. Emotional override. The hardest mistake to admit. I knew the rules. I just broke them. I moved stops. I cut winners early. I held losers hoping they would turn round. Trading is not an IQ test. It is an emotional endurance test. Your brain will always choose comfort over correctness. Motivation fades. Discipline must be engineered. Asterisk, the fix is system automation. I use a pre-market checklist, printed, signed. I set entry alerts at setup zones. No discretionary chasing. One run a Sunday review every week. What did I follow? What did I break? Why? I also joined a trading accountability group. Public commitment kills private weakness. Consistency is not born from motivation. It is built through repeatable systems. Your emotions will try to override your plan. Build a system that ignores them. Asterisk, to avoid these 5 mistakes forever, I run the 3P system. Plan, 1 setup. Written rules. Context filtered. Protect, 1 to 2% risk. Hard stops. Daily loss breaker. Review, Sunday audit. Journal, emotional triggers. Adjust, do not abandon. I have put the exact templates I use into a free download. The position size calculator, the daily circuit breaker log, and the full 3P trading plan. Link is in the description and pinned comment. If this saved you from a future $50,000 lesson, hit subscribe. I drop no-nonsense trading breakdowns every week. Comment below. Which of these 5 mistakes are you still fighting? I will reply to the first 50 comments. Next video, I will show you how I back-tested this exact setup across 200 trades and turned it into a consistent system. You do not want to miss it. Trade smart. Protect your capital. I will see you in the next one.